mom, you just had a baby not too long ago, right? Or maybe it's been a couple of years and you really want to lose the baby fat. What do you do? In this video, we're going to dive deep into how to lose that extra belly fat that you've been wanting to for years. Hey everybody, my name is Jennifer Waters and I am the Executive Sensei over at Seigler's Karate Center in Augusta, Georgia. We've actually been in business since 1982, transforming lives through martial arts. I was fortunate enough to grow up inside the dojo, watching my father, Tommy Seigler, who founded the martial arts school, change the lives of kids, teens, and adults, and now we have generations training here. And one of the really cool things is we've actually helped a lot of people hit their fitness goals. People are often puzzled when I tell them, oh wow, you actually help people do that too? Like, do you do weights? Do you do personal training? And the interesting thing is that for a lot of people, losing that extra belly fat, especially after having a baby, has a lot more to do with being in an environment that encourages you and helps hold you in a place of enjoyment and accountability than it has to do with picking up a piece of gym equipment. And here's what I mean. When you enjoy something and you enjoy doing it on a regular basis, you tend to do more of it. And so what we've found is through our martial arts training, specifically our kickboxing class, which is designed to actually burn more body fat than a regular martial arts class, or even just doing cardio alone. What we found is that people love training. They love being able to learn how to work the mitts, how to hit the bags, how to interact with partners out on the mat. And because they love doing it, they like to do it a lot. And when that happens, a lot more exercise and a lot more activity is occurring. Now, the other thing that's super important is that when you are out there and you are working with people that can keep you accountable, you also pair that with nutrition. You know, you want to actually make sure that you're fueling your body the right way. A lot of times when you're pregnant, you're actually just eating a lot of different things because you got to feed the baby. And let's just face it, the cravings, they're real. So that being said, it's really important to actually get back on a good nutritional foothold and standpoint. So what we do is we actually equip all of the ladies who come into our program with a nutrition guide and also set you up on an accountability program so that we can make sure that we're checking back in with you, making sure you're getting the right water intake, you're adding the right foods to your diet, you're eliminating the ones that you should eliminate so you can start working on losing that body fat that you accumulated over the course of the pregnancy. So if you're really looking at what should I do and what are my next steps, you want to get into a community that provides accountability. You want to find something that you enjoy doing on a regular basis, and you also want to pair that with nutrition. With that trifecta in place, you're going to be able to shed those pounds that have been resisting and holding on, sometimes for up to years to do. Just remember that it's important not to give up after only 2 weeks. This is going to be a process. It was a process for you to be pregnant and have your baby. It's also a process for you to be able to lose the additional weight that you may have accumulated over the course of the pregnancy or even after the pregnancy. And hey, if you want to join our awesome and amazing community of moms that started off just like you, I would highly encourage you to go to our website, goskc.com, check out our kickboxing program there, and go ahead and register for a free introductory and discovery class where you can see exactly how SKC could be the place to be for you and your family. Until then, be awesome.